Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. We're going to start part B. The questions are worth 6 marks now if we get them right. Still 2 marks if we leave a question blank. But it's part B on the 2008 Pascal contest. We're going to start off with question 11 here. At Mathville Junior High School, 30 boys and 20 girls wrote the Pascal contest. Hey, that's relatable. We're writing a Pascal contest now, too. Certificates were awarded to 30% of the boys, 40% of the girls. What percentage of all the participating students received certificates? So we've got the individual percentages, 30% when we're just looking at the boys, 40% when we're just looking at the girls. Now we just want the percent when we're looking at everybody together. Okay. So, if you're really good with percents and probability and fractions and that sort of stuff, you can probably get this fairly quickly by weighting your 30% and your 40%. I'm going to go the slower route that I think a lot of people went, and you're just going to say, okay, what's 30% of the boys? How many people is that? What's 40% of the girls? How many people is that? And then add those up. That's the total number of people who receive certificates, and then we'll divide that by the total number of people, multiply it by 100%. We'll have our percent that we so desire. Okay? So I'm not saying this is the only way to do it, but it's the way I'm going to do it here. I think it's the way a lot of people will probably do it. So 30% of the boys, well, that's 30% of 30. 30% of, that's kind of English language, so we change it to a fraction, so we can, it's purely mathematical, no English, no ofs, no ands, no buts, no ifs, nothing like that. And so we'll get 3/10 times 30. Well, the 30 and the 10 cancel out a bit. So 9 boys received certificates. And we got 40% of the 20 girls received certificates. We go about the same process, 40% out of 100%. Remember that percents are measured out of a total 100. 100% is perfect. It's correct. It's full. It's same as 1 in regular probability. So we'll get 4 out of 10 times 20, and that'll be 8. 8 girls received certificates. So that means in total we've got 9 plus 8, 17 received certificates. 17 people received certificates. Okay. Alright, so what do we want to say now? Okay, well, we want to figure out the total number, the percent of people who received certificates. So 100%, and then 17 out of the... How many people are there? Well, if we go back to the question, we realize, well, there's 30 boys, 20 girls, 50 people. 50 people got certificates, so 100% times 17 out of 50. We want to figure out what fraction of 100% are the people who got certificates. The 50 and the 100 divide by 2. Percent stays around. Treat it sort of like units. 2 times 17, 34. So 34% of the people received certificates. Incidentally, that means that 66% didn't receive certificates, and we can use that in another question or something. But there we go. The answer is going to be A. Now, I don't think I have space here for question 12, so let's just go ahead and flip the page anyway. And question 12 is exactly what we should focus on now. I will see you for that